So if you're anything like me and want the width of your pivot table columns to stay the way you set them after you refresh it, this is the solution for you. So notice, even if I set this width to be the width that I want, when I refresh the pivot table, it comes back to the initial value. It's auto set. So let me show you how to disable this. Simply click on the pivot table, right click and select pivot table options. And from over here under layout and format, go down and find the Autofit column width on updates checkbox, uncheck it and hit OK. And once you do that, nothing will really happen. But notice when I set the width of my pivot table column to be this long, when I refresh the pivot table, it stays the way it was initially. So this is how to do it. This is how to keep the width of your pivot table stable. Thumbs up the video. It is helped you. Subscribe for more videos like this one. And if you have any issues with the solution, leave a comment and I'll try to help you out.